Hello, Namaste. How are you all doing today? This video is in collaboration with Imagine, a connected world, the largest global 24-hour online event on a virtual platform promoted by Keystone IMS. Imagine aims to bring together individuals from all walks of life to connect, celebrate, and contribute from the comfort of their homes. A largest platform for people to share their stories, showcase their talent, and learn from experts, all towards a noble cause supported by a leading NGO. I am truly honored to be part of this unique enterprise to bring the world together for a common cause. I, Riddhi Shah, Mehndi artist from Mumbai, have been an artist since I can remember. However, due to various reasons, my Mehndi journey took a backseat. Being an artist by heart, it was difficult to stay away from it. One day, I happened to write down my thoughts on Mehndi. This practice of writing made me think more about the art. I started researching, practicing, observing various artists' design, listening to YouTube videos, reading about artists' experiences in various magazines, and gradually started creating my own designs. I have my own Instagram and Facebook page by the name of mehndibyriddhi, as well as YouTube channel in the same name. You can check my work on these handles. Moving on, in this video, I will be sharing my method of preparing mehendi paste and making mehendi cone. So are you guys ready? Let's begin. The materials needed would be filtered organic mehendi powder, eucalyptus or nilgiri oil, sugar, water, spoon, carrot bag, cellophane sheet, glass, scissor, scotch tape, rough cloth or tissue paper, rubber band. How to prepare mehendi paste? Firstly, we'll take a bowl, could be steel or plastic. Now add 4 tablespoon mehendi powder. Add 1 tablespoon sugar, could be powdered or granules. 1 tablespoon eucalyptus oil and mix all the ingredients well. Now add water gradually in the mixture. Remember that right now you just need to make a thick paste. Eucalyptus oil is easily available at any chemist or Ayurveda store in your area. This oil, when mixed in mehendi paste, gives nice color, smells good, and is affordable. Keep mixing everything with spoon. It would take around approximately 15 to 20 minutes to mix. If the paste that you are preparing is in bulk, then you can either use a beater or blender to mix the paste. Once the thick paste is ready, I spread it evenly in the container and give cuts with spoon inside the paste just to ensure that oil, sugar and water mixes well. Now I will seal the container with its lid and let it rest in a warm place for minimum 7 to 8 hours or overnight for dye release. After 7 to 8 hours, you can see that the top layer of the paste is dark brown and the inner layer is green. This means that all the ingredients have been mixed well. Now I will add water to get the desired paste consistency. How much water to add you will know by your own experience only. It is your personal preference. Some artists like to keep the paste thick, some prefer medium consistency, while some prefer loose consistency. This paste consistency is totally your choice and how comfortable you are while applying mehendi. Once I get the desired paste consistency, I transfer the paste into a washed milk bag and seal it with a rubber band. If you find difficulty in transferring the paste, I would suggest to keep a glass, could be steel, plastic or ceramic, below the bag. This way you can easily transfer mehendi paste. Ensure that you push the paste till the bottom of the bag before sealing it with a rubber band. How to make henna cone? I, being a right-handed person, I always keep cellophane sheet in my left hand. To roll the plastic, I keep my left hand index finger below the sheet and roll half of the plastic with my right index and middle fingers. Keep rolling with your right hand thumb. Ensure that you keep your left hand index finger and thumb on the tip of the cone. The length and depth of the cone is your personal choice. I personally prefer slim and small cones as they are easy to handle. To adjust the tip of the cone, pull the inside loose corner of the cone towards you if you prefer closed tip tone. If you prefer an open tip cone, adjust it accordingly. To secure the tip of the cone, tape the loose end of the rolled cone with scotch tape. To secure the inner loose end of the cone, tape it with a small size scotch tape. Empty mehendi cone is ready. For beginners, initially you may face issues while rolling cones and securing it with scotch tape. But keep doing. One day you will master it. How to fill mehendi cone? Once you have made mehendi cone, slightly cut the corner of the mehendi paste bag. Keep your empty mehendi cone in one hand and fill only 2/3 of the cone with mehendi paste. Reason being, we need to seal the cone. If you fill the cone fully with paste, chances are that while packing the cone, the paste will spill. After filling the cone with paste, just tap the cone with fingers so that the air bubbles are removed. Squeeze your cone till it reaches the tip. Then fold as shown and secure it with scotch tape around the folded sides. I personally feel that all mehendi artists should know how to make their own mehendi paste and cone, since these two are the main tools for mehendi art. I hope you guys liked my video. Do check out my work on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube. Do comment, like, share, subscribe. Before ending this video, I would like to say that I have always believed that one should keep learning constantly. There is no scarcity of knowledge in this world, and trying out new things every day is what gives you a kick in life. Until then, stay home, stay safe, take care, bye.